lemonade whippersnapper cookies. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, rack in the middle position. Ingredients: 1 15.25-ounce box lemon cake mix. I used Duncan Hines Perfectly Moist Lemon Supreme cake mix. 2 cups Cool Whip. 1 egg beaten. 1/2 teaspoon of lemon zest. Use just the yellow part of the lemon rind. Be careful not to grind in any of the white part. 1/2 cup powdered sugar in a separate bowl for rolling the cookies in. Enough grenadine to color the batter pink. I used about 1½ ounces. Directions: prepare a cookie sheet by lining it with parchment paper. Spray the parchment paper with Pam or another non-stick cooking spray. Into a large bowl, add the lemon cake mix, Cool Whip, egg, lemon zest, and just enough grenadine to turn the batter pink. Combine until just mixed through by using an electric or hand mixer. After it is all mixed, put plastic wrap over the top of your mixing bowl, then set in the refrigerator to chill for 20 minutes. Remove bowl from the refrigerator after it has chilled for 20 minutes. Place your powdered sugar next to the mixing bowl. You will only scoop out 1 teaspoonful of the whippersnapper mixture at a time into the powdered sugar. Drop small balls of dough by the teaspoon into the powdered sugar and roll them around until the small balls of whippersnappers are completely coated in the powdered sugar. Place each pink lemonade whippersnapper on a cookie sheet, no more than 8 to 12 cookies to a sheet. Place cookie sheet in the oven and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes, until cookies are slightly brownish on the top. Remove to a cold stovetop burner or wire rack to cool for 5 minutes. Using oven mitts, take the parchment paper, with the pink lemonade whippersnapper cookies still on it, and remove to the countertop or another wire rack to finish cooling. Yield 2 to 3 dozen pretty, soft, and moist cookies. Serve these pink lemonade whippersnapper cookies with strong hot coffee or glasses of icy cold milk for a yummy snack.